This morning I'm making some sandwiches to pack for lunches today, and I'm using some shortcuts. I have an already cooked chicken breast, a couple pieces off of a rotisserie chicken. This is about 2.5 cups of chicken that I'm going to chop up. I'm going to use some brat size extra large hot dog rolls. We have some bacon, which I already cooked, mayonnaise, basil. To make this really little special, I have some organic green butterhead lettuce. This is really great for a sandwich. A couple grape tomatoes, a really small mini cucumber, some celery. I'm going to make 3 sandwiches out of this. So I'll take out 3 rolls. So let's start by getting this nice chicken chopped up. I'm going to use my cleaver this morning just to get everything chopped quickly. Just making rough cuts here. I don't want to make it too small because it will mix in with the mayonnaise. So leave it a little bit chunky. Alright. Mixed in with that is the celery. Here's where you get some nice crunch. But I'm going to make these really small slices. Alright. Now let's mix this. I'm going to mix it right on the cutting board. Nice and quick. To give you a guide, I'm going to say use 1/3 cup of mayonnaise for this amount of chicken, but you really have to judge the nice consistency that you want in a creamy chicken salad. I'm going to add a little bit of basil. If you have fresh basil, you can do that too. But you know, when you're packing lunches in the morning, you want it to be rather quickly that you can put this together. In fact, if you wanted to, you could do this part the night before, but I'm just doing it all at one time. See how it starts to get a little bit creamy and stick together. You don't want it to be overcome with mayonnaise, but you want it to have that nice creamy texture. I think these lettuce leaves are beautiful. They're fresh. They still have their root on. They're actually still growing for a couple days if they have a nice amount of moisture in the container. So we're going to take a nice leaf for each one. Do a little bit extra. And this can go back in the package in case we want to have a salad for dinner tonight. I'm going to wash these up. I'll be right back. Alright, we're just going to blot them dry. Let's get the rolls on the counter here. And the first thing, since we're packing a lunch, we're going to use lettuce on the bread first. Just like that. Then we're going to fill each one with 1/3 of the mixture. We're going to take this cucumber here, make some very thin slices. And we're going to kind of close it up, make it where it's going to look pretty. Onto each one, I'm going to add a few slices of this mini cucumber. It's nice and tender, and we make the slices thin, so it's a nice little crunch, like you're having a little salad with your sandwich today. All right. Same thing for the tomatoes. Just want to add a little bit of tomato to each one. Makes a nice club sandwich. And it's easy to eat if you just use little slices. Or if it's cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, you can at least cut them in half. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit more basil here. You can add salt if you want to. I'm just going to add a little pepper. And then we'll add a nice crispy piece of bacon. There we have 3 nice chicken salad club rolls, and we're just going to wrap them up and put them away for lunch. And as we're going to put them into a foil sheet. I'm going to close it up a little bit here so it's easy to pick up. I'm using these nice little foil sheets here because when you put them together, you can pinch them together a little bit, and it closes them up nicely for when you want to get them out and have lunch. You can also pack them in the cooler nicer that way. I'm going to double wrap this one because there's a lot going on in there. All right. Okay, beautiful. Nice little quick sandwich you can make in the morning. It's also a salad. And it also has those nice salad ingredients on it. You can pinch it together a little bit. And it's ready to pack. The lettuce helps you out here because it helps you fold all those salad ingredients in together. And it also protects the roll and keeps it from getting soggy like some sandwiches do get if you pack them ahead of time. Alright, there we go. Couldn't be easier in the morning. Try it. You'll have a beautiful lunch. Thanks for watching.